Welcome to our guide on how to archive a channel on Telegram using your PC. Follow these simple steps to organize your channels effectively. Step 1. Open Telegram on your PC by launching the application or accessing it through your web browser. Step 2. Once you're in Telegram, navigate to the channel you wish to archive. You can do this by searching for the channel in your channel list. Step 3. Right-click on the channel you want to archive. A menu will appear, and from there, select the option to archive the channel. By following these steps, you can easily archive a channel on Telegram using your PC. Archiving channels helps you declutter your channel list and keep your Telegram organized. Archiving a channel does not delete it permanently. Instead, it moves the channel to the archive section, making it inactive and hidden from your main channel list. You can always access your archived channels later if needed, allowing you to manage your channels efficiently without losing any content. Remember that archived channels can be unarchived at any time, restoring them to your main channel list for easy access. Follow these steps to archive channels on Telegram using your PC, keeping your Telegram account tidy and well organized.